Hey everyone, it's Edwina with Clean Our Cans, and I have something so exciting that I want to share with you. If you are already operating a trash can cleaning service, this is something that you can add in and it'll be like an additional service at no additional cost to you whatsoever. Now, my husband thought I was nuts when I came up with this about a year and a half ago, but we have been doing this for a year, and to be honest, we didn't even offer it like on our website or promote it. I just started offering it to our current customers, and before I offered it, I had even sent out a survey and said, hey, would this appeal to you? And overwhelmingly people were like, yes, this really would. This would come in handy every now and then. So here's why I'm excited, and I'm about to tell you, so hold on. We've been doing this for just at a year, but I had the idea about a year and a half ago, and now there are services popping up, and this is just what they're offering. But you can incorporate it to what you're doing because it is related to trash cans, and you already have a customer base. So here's what it is. We call it concierge trash service. Some people are calling it trash valet service, but what it is you're literally just charging people, and people are paying you to go grab their trash can, pull it out to the curb for the trash collection, and after trash collection, you pull it up from the curb. And people pay for this. Now, here's why it's awesome. What we do is, it's good for people who are traveling. Let's say you're out of town, or maybe even you're like went to the ER and you got stuck in the hospital, but you know your trash can is full of trash. Maybe you threw away some like meat or emptied out your refrigerator, who knows what. But if you leave that and it doesn't get collected, then you wait a whole other week. And then you're going into 2 weeks of a trash collecting in the bin. And that's where a lot of really, really bad bacteria starts growing. That 2-week period is just detrimental to trash cans. So you do want it emptied at least once a week. And obviously even then you want them cleaned. But people have been paying for this because they're traveling, and they know they're going to be out of town, and they want it emptied, and they want it just taken care of, so when they get home they have an empty trash can. This is great at the holiday season. We had a lot of people around the holidays use the service, and again, maybe somebody broke their leg and they just needed help for that week or something. But it's awesome. And for those of you who have bought the ebook that we have, Trash Can Cleaning in America, I'm going to add this into the ebook today. Now today is February 7th, I believe. 7th or 8th, I don't know. But I'm going to add it in at February 2020, and I'm going to add in the details. Now, and when you buy that ebook, it's Trash Can Cleaning in America. You can find it at cleanourcans.com. You also get an invite to our closed Facebook group. Now, the closed group has over 200 people, and I have like 95 people to date wanting to get in the group, but I've really closed it off to people who bought the book. And that's just because I really want to maintain the integrity of the group. I really want it to be for people who are legitimately looking into the service and not just saying, yeah, I'm interested in the business. And then they get in there and they kind of are pushing like weird products and stuff, and we're keeping it real. Okay, you're going to be in there with people who are professional. Everybody's there to help everyone. It's an amazing group. I'm so thankful for everyone and for what we offer to each other. But you get an invite to that group, and you get this ebook that people have loved. I mean, people are using it for presentations and all kinds of things. And again, I'm going to add the details to our concierge trash service. And I don't know, okay, my phone rang, so I got interrupted. I'm going to pick this back up and wrap it up, okay? I coined the term concierge trash service because years ago, before owning Clean Our Cans and starting that, I owned a concierge service. Now, we did a lot of different things that had nothing to do with trash cans, but one day it just came to me that there's a need that a lot of times people are out of town and they have all these little needs, and this would be one that we could easily fill, and it just makes sense with our business. So I picked the pricing, added it in. Again, my husband thought I was nuts. He thought I was overcharging, and it just isn't true. It's worked out. People love the pricing and they love paying for it. As a matter of fact, just let's see, in December, we had one customer alone spend $240 in multiple concierge trash services. So that's nuts. Almost $300 from just one client. Okay, I'm telling you, this is so easy to add in. So I hope I meet you. I hope that if you haven't bought the ebook, that you get that and you join the group and just learn some more stuff with us. Okay, have a good day, and again, check that out at cleanarcans.com. It's trash can cleaning in America. Take care. Bye.